When the tags in Alight Motion is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can remove the text in Alight Motion. Not suppose you have this footage and you get this sort of text, which is also called as watermark in your footage. So how can you know about it or remove it? So while editing the video, make sure to transform the video into a point where this text doesn't include. So suppose I want the screen circle, so this text doesn't actually have any effect on my video. So after that you have to export it. After exporting you just simply have to import it in CapCut. Now in the CapCut, as you can see here, you have simply do one thing, tap on your video, and then you have to transform it and remove that or exclude that part from the video. So that's pretty much that I will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this, but I have 4